Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. This is social class. Before going into the section, let's play a game. I shall give some jumble words. Try to find the correct word. Number 1. Answer is climate. Second one. Answer is latitudes. Third one. Answer is atmosphere. In the last class, we were dealing with Unit 4 Atmosphere. Let's have a short recap. What is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 30 years. What are the elements of climate? The elements of climate are temperature, pressure, wind, clouds, and rainfall. We have already learnt about temperature. Today we are going to learn about pressure. We have already heard that word pressure as low pressure and blood pressure in our human body. Here, let's learn the pressure in our environment. What is pressure? Pressure is the weight of air pressing down on the Earth's surface. Pressure varies from place to place. Air pressure is also referred to as atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by the weight of air above us. Pressure is highest at sea level and decreases with altitude. Zones of high and low pressure cover the world and play an important role in the evolution of our weather. Rising air leads to low pressure at the Earth's surface. Sinking air leads to high pressure at the Earth's surface. Air naturally wants to flow from high pressure to low pressure. Some common uses of air pressure in daily life are inflating tires, which means to fill the air in tires. Then playing musical wind instrument, drinking through straw, flushing toilets. Breathing. If a person stands on top of the mountain, the pressure is low. If a person stands down, the pressure is high. What is temperature? We already know that. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness that can be measured using a thermometer. Let's compare temperature and pressure. When the temperature increases, pressure decreases. Suppose when the temperature decreases, pressure increases. The average pressure of wind at sea level is 1013 millibar. Here MP denotes millibar. The instrument which is used to measure the pressure of the wind is called barometer. In a barometer, a column of mercury in a glass tube rises or falls as the weight of the atmosphere changes. Meteorologists describe the atmospheric pressure by how high the mercury rises. Who is meteorologist? The person who studies about the weather is called meteorologist. When you climb a mountain, atmospheric pressure decreases because the overall depth of air above you is less than at the base of the mountain. Aircraft create artificial pressure in the cabin so passengers remain comfortable while flying. The instrument which is used to measure the speed of the wind is anemometer. The instrument which is used to measure the direction of the wind is wind vane. Let's recall what we learned today. What is pressure? Pressure is the weight of air pressing down on the earth's surface. When the temperature increases, pressure decreases. And when the temperature decreases, pressure increases. The instrument which is used to measure the pressure of the wind is barometer. The instrument which is used to measure the speed of the wind is anemometer. The instrument which is used to measure the direction of the wind is wind vane. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you, students.